In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. So to do this, first just go and open up your Coinbase wallet account and then click on the wallet icon in the bottom right. Now here you will see all your cryptocurrencies that you own. So I have some Solana right here. So just open up the cryptocurrency that you want to send to Coinbase. So I'll use Solana. And then from here, what you want to go and do is click on send. Then choose how much you want to send over to your Coinbase account. For example, I'll just do €5. Then click next. Now you will need to paste in an address. Now just open up Coinbase. And then on Coinbase, click transfer and select receive crypto. And then here just pick the same cryptocurrency that you have on your wallet. So for me, it's Solana. And then just copy your address and go back to Coinbase wallet to paste in that address. Then click on it right there and click yes, looks good if it is correct. And from here you will see the overview such as the network fee, total cost and all of that. So now just click confirm and now you will see successfully sent the €5. So now if I go back to Coinbase and go to refresh it, you can see it's not here yet and it can take a few minutes. I'll just wait for it to show up right now. So for me it took about 30 seconds and now as you can see it's right here and it has been deposited onto my Coinbase account. So that's how to transfer crypto from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.